Open the box containing the faucet, boiler, and filter. Take them out of the boxes and packaging. Then prepare the tools and make everything ready. Make yourself familiar with all the parts of the faucets. You will need scissors, Phillips screwdriver, and wrench. Cut the ties on the faucet hoses. Remove the metal nut, metal washer, and rubber washer from the bottom of the faucet. Insert the faucet by feeding the hoses through the sinkhole, from the big to the small. Then put the rubber washer, metal washer, and the metal nut back. Tighten it. Adjust the position of the faucet. Make it in place. Now secure the faucet tightly to the workshop by fixing the 2 screws. Then we start the hoses connection from number 1 to number 8 in turn. Firstly, connect the brass 3-way connector to the cold water valve. Then connect number 1 hose to the 3-way connector and tighten it. Connect number 2 hose to the hot water valve and tighten it. Remove the blue clip inside the plastic adapter. Insert the number 3 and number 4 hose to the adapter. Insert back the blue clip. Remove the red and blue caps on the boiler. Connect number 5 hose to the inlet with blue nut. Tighten it. Remove the silicone washer from number 6 hose and put it on the outlet with red nut. Tighten it. Use the wrench to tighten the nuts. Connect the number 7 hose to the brass connector and tighten it. Fix the filter connector to the filter cartridge. Insert the other end of number 7 hose to the filter inside. Insert back the blue clip. Insert number 8 hose to the filter outside and insert the blue clip. Plug the water boiler into power cord. Turn the main water supply, check all the connections, and make sure there are no leaks. Turn on the normal cold and hot water on the right side to make sure it works normally. Turn on the filtered water on the left side to make sure it works normally. Press the safety button and rotate the handle. Fill water to the boiler tank around 1 minute. Fill the tank till the water comes out from the faucet spot. Power the boiler with pressing the power button for 3 seconds and set the temperature. Initial heating time is about 8 minutes, from 20 degrees Celsius to 98 degrees Celsius. Let the boiler refill and boil. Repeat this operation twice to flush the filter and clean the tank before enjoying boiling water.